Hi students, it's Miss Fran again. We're going to wipe down our table today. So first thing I do is get a cloth and I get it wet so that I can use it to clean up my table really nicely. And I squeeze out as much water as I can get. So I'm wringing it out to get as much as I can so that it's slightly damp. And I'm going to put that right here for right now. And as I said, we are just finished with lunch. So I'm going to take the dishes, and I'm going to put them away. So I'll put them in the dishwasher in a minute. And now I'm going to take my cloth, which I had, and first thing I'm going to do is wipe down all the placemats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I take my placemats and I put them off to the side because I'll need to put them on later, back later. So now I'm going to wipe down my table with my cloth, making sure that I get all the crumbs and everything off of the table. Anything that is messy, we need to do this. And the reason for this is so that we can cut down on germs. Now, I also like to wipe down the chairs too, because sometimes we get a little bit messy. Now I get a dry paper towel and I dry down what I just washed, because this is a wooden table and it'll cause rings if you don't. Any place if the water is left on there will turn into a white place. So when I'm done with that, then I put my placemats back. And I put my napkins and my salt and pepper back so that my table is all ready for the next meal. And that is how we wipe down a table after we're done.